Hi Science Club community, my name is Ali, I'm a junior mentor, and I'm going to be giving you a recap on what the girls learned in session 4 of Science Club last week. So last week the girls learned that different animals are going to need different habitats to survive in different locations around the world. For example, a frog might need a rainforest habitat that's very moist and has a lot of bugs for it to eat and plants for it to hide behind, whereas a polar bear might need a very cold habitat with lots of ice for it to camouflage in with its white fur and fish for it to eat. And a sea turtle, on the other hand, is going to need a place with a lot of water and also fish for it to eat.
Hello Science Club community, I'm Sophia and I am junior mentor. This week we learned about 3 different habitats: tundra, rainforest, and grassland. Each girl chose one out of 3 animals from the 3 different habitats, and we created a model of the habitat using a loaf pen, leftover materials from other activities, and art supplies from this week's bag. Here's my model. I chose the tundra habitat because I really like polar bears and they live there. I used leftover Play-Doh to make the polar bears and cardboard and construction paper from this week's bag.
Our club made some of the craziest, most wild animals that I've ever seen. The girls came up with such creative, different kinds of animals that could live in all different kinds of habitats. Some lived in the water, some lived on trees. It was very, very creative and I was very impressed. This week the girls also learned about the famous anthropologist Jane Goodall, who went out into the wildlife to study what habitats are going to need protecting. Thank you so much for watching this week in review, and we'll see you next week.
Bye!